TM100SZ-M by uscomponent.com. The TM100SZ-M, developed by Mitsubishi Electric, is a high-efficiency IGBT module tailored for demanding industrial applications. Ideal for motor drives, inverters, and power supplies, this module offers low switching and conduction losses, ensuring superior energy efficiency and optimal system performance. Its robust construction guarantees excellent thermal management and long-term durability, even in harsh environments. The TM100SZ-M is easy to install and maintain, providing a cost-effective solution for high-power applications. Enhance your industrial systems with Mitsubishi Electric's TM100SZ-M IGBT module for reliable operation, improved energy savings, and superior performance. Optimize your power solutions with this advanced module. Ready to buy TM100SZ-M? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.